Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. But before getting started with the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as I share all the natural remedies that will help to deal with all your skin problems. So for the remedy, first I have taken one egg white. You have to take egg white, discard the yolk, or you can make omelette with that and eat it later. But for the remedy, you have to take one egg white. Egg white has a lot of benefits for the skin. It acts as an anti-aging property. It helps to tighten your skin and it also helps to reduce open pores. And now before adding further ingredients, we have to whisk it well till it turns foamy. Like this. Try to make it as much foamy as possible. Next to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon orange peel powder. Now this is not a homemade orange peel powder, to be very honest. I bought it online. If you want, I will provide the link in the description box. You can easily go and check it out from there. It's very much pocket friendly. And next I'm adding half tablespoon of Kasturi haldi. Now orange peel powder and Kasturi haldi or wild turmeric both acts to lighten your skin tone. It removes any blemishes, pigmentation with regular use, not from the very first use. So now I have to mix it uniformly, because it's egg white, so you can see that the powder and the egg white will not mix properly. You have to beat it very well, you have to mix it very well, and then you can see a consistency like this. And now to add a moisturizing effect to the face pack or the face mask, whatever you say, I'm going to add half tablespoon of honey. Honey will not let your skin get dry after you have removed the face mask or face wash. You can even use it as a face wash actually. Whenever I come home after every day's work, I use it as a face wash. I keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. If I don't have that much time also, then I keep it for very short time and I just massage my face like face wash and wash it with normal water. But if you have time in your hand, then definitely try to use it as a face mask. So I have mixed it well, and here you can see the texture of the face mask. It's actually not very smooth, it's coarse in texture. It has very fine grains of that orange peel powder and wild turmeric. So basically it's not very smooth, and it will also act as a exfoliant. It will help to scrub off the dead skin cells and reveal the glowing skin from inside. So moving to the application, I've just washed my face with face wash. Here I'm using my DIY face wash. If you want to say that, do let me know in the comment box. And then I've dipped the towel in warm water, just lukewarm water, and I will just dab it on the skin. Lukewarm water helps to open the skin pores so that the pores also get cleaned well when I'm using the face wash or the face mask. And now I will just apply a thick layer of it on my face. Make sure to wash your face before applying any remedy or any face mask so that it works very well. And definitely make sure to avoid the eye area while applying the mask, and avoiding the eye area, you can apply a thick layer on your whole face. As I already mentioned, you can use it as a face wash. If you do so, then you have to take a little bit amount of the pack in your hand and just wash your face just as we wash with face wash. Or if you have time in your hand, make sure to get some time 2 to 3 times a week, then keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, like use it as a face mask then. And now after 10 to 15 minutes, as it has dried completely, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply a little bit of water on my face so that the mask gets moist. And next what we have to do is we have to rub the skin gently. We have to rub and we have to remove the face pack gently as much as possible. Don't rub very harsh, as it can give you negative results. So rubbing gently is very important. This is basically a multi face pack. Like, it helps to exfoliate your skin, to remove the dead skin cells and reveal the glowing skin. It also acts as a natural cleanser. It has anti-aging, skin tightening properties. It gives you glowing skin, and besides that, it also helps to remove any fine hairs on your face. So just make sure to give it a try. You will definitely love the results. And now I will wash my face in a cold water. Like, don't use normal room temperature water or warm water. Try to use cold water, as it will give as it will also help to enhance the glow in your skin and also shrink the pores. So here you can see the results, how much my skin is glowing. If you want, you can skip back to the previous part where I was applying the face mask, and it's completely, I have wear no makeup. It's a completely no makeup skin of mine. So you can definitely compare the results, how much glowing it has become, how much shiny it's becoming. So from the first use only you can see the glow. Now now imagine what will happen if you start using it for 1 month. So definitely give it a try. So today till here, if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and meet you soon in the next video. If you have any requested video, also let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching.